In today's assignment, you'll be working on creating your logos for your restaurants. Um, for your logos, you can use Photoshop if you like. You could use PicMonkey. You can use any kind of photo editing um, website that you like to use. Just make sure you save it to your server. If you want to have like the transparent background options, that's something you use more in Photoshop. With that, make sure if you need help with photoshopping, it's on slide 6. This link will take you to some of my YouTube videos on how to use Photoshop quickly, just as a reminder, because some of you were added later to my class. So what we're going to look at is the color slides link right here, and that will take you to this PowerPoint. Now, I tried to kind of go through some facts with how colors affect people's minds, and you can kind of go through this as well and take a closer look, I should say, into what colors we're using. So, for example, when people buy things, people always say, "Don't judge a book by its cover." Well, guess what? 93% of people, based upon their purchases, buy their visual appearance. So if they like the looks of something, 93% of the time they're going to buy it. Only 6% of people actually look at textures and feel textures, and 1% of people decide based upon the sound or the smell of a product. So knowing that, you know that colors and visual have a huge importance to that. Looking also at how colors affect your brain a little bit. In education, I am a firm believer of this for like comprehension, just for like being able to read and understand. Sometimes when a certain keywords pop out a different color, they're easier to see. Kids can find them quickly. This also kind of works with, I always used to do color coding of binders, notebooks, folders to kind of keep kids more organized. People still do that just for easy comprehension, just get things figured out. Big things to remember, primary colors are the red, yellow, blue. Secondary are the orange, green, and purple. And then if you want to look at complementary colors, red and green complement each other. Orange and blue complement each other, and then yellow and purple complement each other. So if you're trying to do comparisons like that, that's one thing you need to look at. So in this PowerPoint, if you scroll through, you're going to see each side's a different color. And within that, the color will tell you, break it down by personality or your emotions. So, for example, red is a strong emotions. Maybe encourages appetite. So if you want to do a buffet, you want to increase someone's appetite, you want to do more of red colors. It's also could be passion and love, so more of a romantic side, kind of like Red Lobster is red. That helps that. Marketing, it increases heart rates, and it's used for impulsive shoppers. So if you're thinking about like Target, okay, impulsive shopping, women go there. No offense to women, but women go there and they want to buy things. Nintendo, competition, want to buy it. What's come out brand new? They want to play around with that. Okay, so you're gonna go through these different links or these different slides and just look at what the colors mean. Look at the companies that are using them. It's a very interesting breakdown of each colors. What do they represent? What do they mean? And sort of thing. So just kind of see like where do your favorite companies lie. For example, if you go to Starbucks a lot, Starbucks uses green. Okay, what does that mean? Tranquility symbolizes money, health, natural. Apparently alleviates depression. Okay, so it's more the natural side of it. So have some fun with this, and then like I said, make sure your logos, wrong one. There we go. Make sure your logos are saved in your server as either like a JPEG or a PNG, and then we're going to use those logos on every single project from here on out with this restaurant. So make sure they look nice. You can also use cool logos to create like the name brand. Kind of like Yahoo is just the word Yahoo. So look into that as well. Good luck, have some fun with this, and then we'll see you back next time.